Hey guys, so I just got done with my grocery shopping. Now I am headed home and it is so crazy hot out here. You guys have no idea. Actually, you do know. Texas is crazy. Yes, I am from Texas and it's super hot here. And of course now I am definitely craving something cooling, something refreshing. And the best part is I bought some cherries today. So I'm going to share with you one of my favorite recipes of the cherry coconut refresher. Which you guys will definitely love. Okay, so I am gonna get home soon. I will be sharing it with you in just a minute, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my recipe, and of course share it with your friends, your family, and don't forget to hit the notification bell because that's how you're going to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. All right, I'll see you on the other side. Take care. Bye bye. Love you all.